Hey y'all, so I know it's been a while, but today's video is a tutorial on this updo 90s inspired style, and people were asking me how I did it. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys today, but don't be mad at me, y'all. I know it's been years. I said this the last video, but I'm gonna be back officially more now. Yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so first I'm just going to brush my hair up into the ponytail and put the hair tie on it. And then I'm just going to get my rat tail comb and make sure there's no bumps in the back. Now I'm just going to comb out the amount of edges that I want out. And then tie my hair into a knot. Now I'm just going to use my mini flat iron to curl my edges upwards to give a little curl effect. I'm going to use edge booster to lay my edges down. Personally, I like softer edges, so I don't want it to be like too stiff, so I don't put as much product on there to lay it down, especially on the curled sideburns. Now I'm brushing out my tracks. It's not a lot, but you can use however much you want. And I'm gonna bobby pin that to the base of my bun and wrap that thing around. And now I'm going to take another bobby pin and just pin the last track down so it'll be secure. And for the bun part, just kind of play around with it until you get like the desired look that you want. I'm going to take out some pieces so I can have like curls, make it look a little more messy. And now I'm just going to bobby pin the bun so it'll stay in place. And now you just curl the extra pieces that you left out of the bun. Okay, so I cut a track that I had into a bang shape, kind of like a layered type bang. One side is longer than the other, so it'll, give off the vibe I'm trying to give. Once you put the bang where you want it, you could just bobby pin it down to the base of your bun. I also left the track a little bit long, so I just fold the rest of it upwards so it'll, be a little thicker on the side. Now I'm just gonna bump my bang like our mamas did when we were in school. Now for the side of the bang, I'm actually gonna curl it. And now for the access curls, you're just gonna bobby pin it up on your bun to give the messy look. And now I'm just gonna comb it all together. And that's it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any video suggestions, leave them down in the comment section. And if you like my content, subscribe. Bye, y'all.